Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about our new chapter, chapter 4, money. Are you ready for the class? Okay, all of you take your text, page number 110. 110. In this chapter, we learn about some topics: Indian currency notes and coins, rupee paisa conversions, addition of money, subtraction of money, making bills, money stories. Are you ready? Okay. Money is required for our day-to-day livings. It is needed for buy things. Different currencies have different units of money called currencies. Different countries have different units of money called currencies. Okay. In India, the currency is rupee. In India, the currency is rupee. In USA, the dollar, and Saudi Arabia, real. In India, the currency is rupee. The symbol of rupee is the symbol of rupees, this one. The symbol of rupees, this, and the smaller unit is paisa. The symbol of paisa is symbol of paisa is small letter p. Our currency is rupee. Our currency is rupee. Our currency is rupee. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay. Let us begin with some questions. Filling the blanks. 1 rupee equal to 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay, write it. First one, A. First one, 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay. Then second one, Rajiv has rupees. Rajiv has rupee 5. His sister has rupees 4. Together they have rupee 5 plus 4. We got the answer. 5 plus 4. We got the answer. Okay, 9. Second one, answer is rupee 9. And third one, I have rupee 10. I have rupee 10. I bought a chocolate for rupee 6. I have rupee dash now. I have rupee 10. I bought a chocolate for rupees 6. 10 minus 6? 10 minus 6? Okay. 10 minus 6? Okay, 4. Good. Then fourth one. Anshu has rupees 2. It is equal to dash paisa. Anshu has rupees 2. It is equal to dash paisa. That means 1 rupee equal to 1 rupee equal to 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. 2 rupee equal to 2 rupee equal to 200 paisa. 2 rupee equal to 200 paisa. Write it. Write it. Our currency is rupee. Okay, our currency is rupee. Different countries have different units of money called currencies. Okay. In India currency, USA dollar, and Saudi Arabia real. Okay. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay. Write it. And this one. Did you finish? Okay. Then notes and coins. Indian currency, notes and coins. The currency note used are rupee 5, rupee 10, 10 rupee, then 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 200 rupee, 500 rupee and 2000 rupee. Okay, currencies are 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupee, 100 rupee, 200 rupee, 500 rupee and 2000 rupee. Okay, then the coins used are 50 paisa, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coins. Coins are 50 paisa, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Okay. Then listen. Indian currency notes and coins. Then our next topic, writing in rupee and paisa. Writing in rupee and paisa. Writing in rupee and paisa. Okay. Listen here. 50 rupees written as 50 rupee. 50 rupees written as rupee 50. It is written as rupee 50. Okay. Then 1 rupee and 20 paisa is written as 1 rupee 20 paisa is written as 1 rupee 20 paisa. It is written as 1 rupee and 20 paisa. 20 paisa. 1 rupee and 20 paisa. Listen here. Paisa always have 2 digits. If there are no paisa, we write 0 after the dots. Paisa rupee separate ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന ഡോട്ട് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് അല്ലേ? ലിസൺ ഹിയർ. ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഡോട്ട് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് റുപ്പീനെ പൈസേനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? റുപ്പീനെയും പൈസേനെ സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തേക്കുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു ഡോട്ട് വെച്ചിട്ടാണ്. ആഫ്റ്റർ ദി ഡോട്ട് അല്ലേ? ഡോട്ടിന് ശേഷം 2 നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? ബാക്ക് സൈഡിൽ 2 നമ്പേഴ്സ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടായിരിക്കും പോയിന്റ് വരിക അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ. Before the dot. റുപ്പി ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ സീറോയ്ക്ക് മുന്നേ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഓൺലി പൈസ മാത്രമാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? 0 ആഡ് ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ഓക്കെ. Then next one, 20 rupee 25 paisa is written as 20 rupee 25 paisa. 25 paisa is written as rupee 20 and 25 paisa. Rupee 20 and 25 paisa. Okay. 20 rupee 25 paisa. After the point, this is the paisa. Before the point, these symbols, these numbers are rupee. Okay. Then rupee and paisa are separated by a dot. Rupee paisa separate ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്ന dot അല്ലേ? ആ dot വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? Okay. Then rupee paisa conversion. Rupee paisa conversion. Rupee, paisa. Next one, rupee paisa conversions. Rupee paisa conversion. Rupee paisa conversions. Okay. Exercise 4.1. Exercise 4.1. In exercise 4.1, so many questions are here. I will explain some questions and remains are your homework. Okay. First one, write the following words. Write the following words. First one, rupee, 2 rupee, 75 paisa. 2 rupees 75 paisa. How to write? 2 rupees 75 paisa. 2 rupee 75 paisa. 2 rupee 75 paisa. Then write it, 2 rupees 75 paisa. Write in your textbook. Write it. Okay. Did you finish? Okay, second one, B. 57 rupee 75 paisa. 57 rupees 75 paisa. How to write? 57 rupee 75 paisa. Okay, 57 rupees 75 paisa. Okay, write it. Write it. Did you finish? And third one, see, rupee 20 rupee 2 paisa. Write it. Write it. Write it. Did you finished? Okay. How to write? 20 rupee 2 paisa. How many persons get this? How many persons get the answer? Please raise your hands. Oh, okay, good, good. And second one, write the following figures. Write the following figures. converting, sorry, write the following figures. Second one. First one, a 7 rupee 25 paisa. 7 rupee 25 paisa. How to write? How to write in figures? How to write? 7 rupee 25 paisa. 25 paisa. 7 rupee 25 paisa. Okay. Then next one. B 19 rupee 60 paisa. 60 paisa. How to write? 19 rupees 60 paisa. 19 rupee 60 paisa. 19 rupee 60 paisa. Okay. Did you finish? And third one. You solve it. You write it. 35 rupee. Write it. 35 rupee 80 paisa. 80 paisa. You write it. How to write? 35 rupee 80 paisa. How to write? How to write? Rupee. Then 35. Then it is not correct. Point. Then okay, 80 paisa. Rupee 35. 35 rupee 80 paisa. Okay. And remains your homework. Okay. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay. Then converting rupee into paisa. Converting rupee into paisa. Converting rupee into paisa. Our next topic. Our next topic is converting rupee into paisa. Converting rupee into paisa. To convert rupee into paisa, we multiply the rupee by 100. We multiply the rupee by 100. Okay. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay. One example for you. Example 1. Example 1. Example 1. Convert 6 rupee. Convert 6 rupee into paisa. Convert 6 rupee into paisa. Okay. How to solve this problem? How to solve? Listen here. Solution. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. That means 1 into 100. 100. Then rupee 6. 6 rupee. 6 into 100 paisa. 6 into 100 paisa. 6 into 100 paisa. 6 6 into 100 paisa. 600. We got the answer. 600 paisa. 600 paisa. Okay. Answer is, we got the answer is 600. 600 paisa is the answer. Okay. Then second one. Convert 80 rupee into paisa. 80 rupee into paisa. Okay. Here 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Then rupee 80 equal to right, 8 is here and in 100. How many zeros in here? Only 2 zeros. We add 2 zeros. We got the answer 8,000. Okay. Here in 100, how many zeros here? Only 2 zeros. We adding 2 zeros to the right of the given amount. Okay. We add 2 zeros more. Okay. 8,000 is the answer. Okay. 8,000. 8,000 paisa. 8,000 paisa. Okay. I will explain one more time. Convert rupee into paisa. Convert rupee into paisa. 80 rupee into paisa. Here 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. 100 paisa and rupee 80 equal to right, 80 is here. Then in 100 convert into paisa. In 100 how many zeros in here? 2 zeros. We add 2 zeros more. Okay, we got the answer 8,000. We got the answer 8,000. Okay, right hand. Okay, next one. Converting rupee and paisa into paisa. Converting rupee and paisa into paisa. Converting rupee and paisa into paisa. Okay. Listen here. To convert rupee into paisa, we multiply the rupee by 100 and add the paisa to it. Firstly, to convert rupee into paisa, multiply the rupee by 100. Then add the paisa. Okay. One example for you. Listen here. Example 1. Example 1. 10 rupee 50 paisa. 10 rupee 50 paisa. 10 rupee 50 paisa. How to convert 10 rupee 50 paisa into paisa? 10 rupee 50 paisa into paisa. Here we convert 10 rupee into paisa. 10 rupee into paisa. 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Then 10 rupee equal to 10 into 100. 10 into 100. 10 into 100 plus 50 paisa. Okay. Here 10 into 100. 10 into 100. 1000. 1000 plus 50. 1000 plus 50. 1050. 1050. 1050 paisa. 1050 paisa. 1050 paisa. Okay, I will explain one more time. Rupee 10 rupee 50 paisa into paisa. Convert 10 rupee 50 paisa into paisa. Rupee 10 into 100. Rupee 10 50 paisa. 50 paisa equal to 10 into 100 plus 50 paisa. 10 into 100 1000. 1000 plus 50 paisa. 1050 paisa. Okay. അത് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ 10നെ പൈസയിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. 50നെ വീണ്ടും 50 പൈസനെ വീണ്ടും പൈസയിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ട ആവശ്യമുണ്ടോ? നോ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 10 റുപ്പീനെ മാത്രം കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുക പൈസയിലേക്ക്. ദെൻ it is converted into paisa. 10 rupee converted into paisa. We got the answer 100 paisa. Okay. Then 100 paisa plus here 50 paisa. 100 plus 1000 paisa plus 50 paisa. 1050 paisa. Okay. Okay. Then next example. Another example for you. Second example. Rupee 29.75. 29 rupees 75 paisa. 29 rupees 75 paisa. Okay. 29 rupees 75 paisa. In the case, 29 rupees 75 paisa. It is converted into paisa. It is converted into paisa. Okay. 29.75. Firstly, avoid the decimal point. And write the numbers. 2,975 paisa. We are already learned about our previous classes. Okay. Firstly, we avoid the decimal point and write the numbers. We got the answer 2,975 paisa. 2,975 paisa. Okay. Then next one, example 3. Rupee 8 rupee 40 paisa. 8 rupee 40 paisa into paisa. Convert 8 rupee 40 paisa into paisa. How to solve? Firstly, remove the decimal point. Okay. Remove the decimal point. 840 paisa. 840 paisa. Okay. Write it. Did you finish? Okay. Next one, exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. In exercise 4.2, so many questions are here. I will explain some questions and remains are your homework. Okay. Exercise 4.2. First one, convert into paisa. Convert into paisa. Okay. First one, A, 11 rupee. 11 rupee converted into paisa. 11. Then we add how many zeros? 2 zeros. 1100 paisa. 1100 paisa. Then next one, 12 rupee 20 paisa. 12 rupee 20 paisa. 12 rupee 20 paisa. 12 rupee 20 paisa converted into paisa. 12 rupee 20 paisa converted into paisa. Okay. 1220 paisa. 1220 paisa. Then 35 rupee. 35 rupee. 35 rupee. 35 rupee. 35 paisa. Okay. Then write it. 1 rupee equal to 1100 paisa. Then 12 rupee 20 paisa equal to 1220 paisa. Then 35 rupee equal to 35 paisa. Okay. Write it. 12 rupee 20 paisa. What the decimal point and write this. Okay. Did you finished? Okay. Then next one, convert the following into paisa. Convert the following into paisa. Second one, convert the following into paisa. Convert the following into paisa. A, 3 rupee 20 paisa. 3 rupee 20 paisa. Convert the following into paisa. 3 rupee 20 paisa. Here, see about the decimal point. 320 paisa. 320 paisa. Then B, next one, B, rupee 36 rupee 90 paisa. 36 rupee 90 paisa. How to solve this problem? How to solve? First about the decimal point and 36 3690 paisa. Write it. 320 paisa and 3690 paisa. Write it. Did you finish? Okay, and third one, see. Next one, see. 12 rupee 50 paisa. 12 rupee 50 paisa. You solve this problem. You solve. Write it. Did you finish? Okay, firstly about the decimal point and paisa. 1250 paisa. Okay, how many persons get the answer? How many persons get the answer? Please raise your hands. Okay, good. Okay. Then remains your homework. Remains your homework. Dear students, today's topic is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.